The 2010 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, ABS four-wheel, cruise control, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, power windows, security system, compass, security package, rear window defroster, child-proof rear door locks, daytime running lights, ventilated front disc brakes, center console, cargo area light, vehicle stability assist, brake assist, rear wiper, steering wheel cruise control, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.